I wish I didn't. I wish I died with them.
But you didn't. And so I also believe God has a reason for sparing your life.
God? Did you say God? God. My friend, God does not exist.
Hey.
He doesn't exist.
Hey. Don't say that.
Don't say what? No, what don't you want me to say? Where was your God when my world came crashing down? Where was God when I lost my child and my husband? Where was God when all this were happening? Where was he? So don't stand there and tell me that there is God, because that is the last thing I want to hear. Don't tell me there is God.
Come, you're awake. Oh my goodness, come, you're awake.
Where am I?
Oh, you,
Where is Junior and where is Alex? I mean, I know we were driving and
come.
where are they?
You need to calm down, okay? You need to calm down. Just relax.
Adura, don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down, please.
Why are you telling me to calm down? Where are they?
Just...
Adura! No.
Come, no, come. Just relax.
Where is Alex?
Calm down. Where is Alex? Calm down, please. I don't know. No, where are they? I need to see them. I need to see them. I need to go. Where is Alex? Where is Junior? Where is Alex?
It's like he turned his face away from me, and it got me wondering, is there God up there? Is he in existence? Oh, why? My day was turned into darkness. My joy was stolen from me. Hey, oh, why me? Why me? My day was turned into darkness, and my joy was taken away. Hey, oh, why me? So tell me what I'm living for. What is the purpose of living when the purpose is lost and lost forever? It's like the heaven and the earth could join against me.
It's 3 p.m. and you are still on your nighties.
What are you doing here?
I came to check on my only friend to see if she is still breathing. I mean, you've refused taking your calls.
I told you I want to be left alone.
For how long? Kami. It's been 3 months. 3 months and you're still moping around the place. Drinking alcohol because I can smell it.
I lost my child. I lost my husband. Cut me a slack.
But you survived. You survived. And I believe there is a reason for that.
I wish I didn't. I wish I died with her.
But you didn't. And so I also believe God has a reason for sparing your life.
God? Did you say God? God. My friend, God does not exist.
Hey.
He doesn't exist.
Hey. Don't say that.
Don't say what? No, what don't you want me to say? Where was your God when my world came crashing down? Where was God when I lost my child and my husband? Where was God when all this were happening? Where was he? So don't stand there and tell me that there is God, because that is the last thing I want to hear. Don't tell me there is God.
It's okay. It's okay, please. I understand you are hurting, okay? But I need you to put your hope in God.
Don't say that. Adora, you are lucky I care about you a lot. If not, I would have asked you to leave my house this minute. Stop telling me about God!
Yeah, sure. Oh, okay. I actually got you something to eat.
Leave when you're done.
Kami, you can't spend the rest of your life angry at the world. Well, it might interest you to know that I have come to stay. I'm spending the night here.
It's like the heaven and the earth co-joined against me, and everything I have is lost in a twinkle of an eye. Oh, I mean, it's like he turned his face away from me, and it got me wondering, is there God up there? Is he in existence? Oh, why? My day was turned into darkness. My joy was stolen from me. Hey, oh, why me? Why me?
Where are my pills? Where are my pills? Adora.
Yeah, what is it?
Where's my pills?
I don't have them.
Let me have them.
I don't have it.
What do you mean by you do not have them? Huh? Listen to me. You are not my mother. So stop keeping my pills away from me. Where are they?
Come. You need to calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down.
Kami, you are becoming addicted to
I
this.
am not addicted. I am depressed. They are antidepressants. So let me have them.
Okay, listen. I've been meaning to tell you. There is this Depression Anonymous class in town.
Adora, you already made me go for an anonymous narcotic meeting. Like I am some drug addict.
Okay, it's okay. You are not. This is specifically for depressed people. Honestly, Cam, they really helped me when I was depressed. Please, just give it a try. Please.
So you think talking to a bunch of depressed people will solve anything? Is that what you think?
Cam, it's been over 1 year and you are not getting any better. I can't watch you knock yourself out with pills. Please, join them.
I won't. I can't. I can't join them.
Come. Please. Honestly, I can't watch you do this to yourself. Come, you know my parents are no more. And as the only child, you are the only family that I have now. So please, understand me when I say that I can't stand it if anything happens to you. I can't. I am only trying to help here. So please, help me help you. Okay? I don't want to lose you. I can't be alone in this world, please.
Fine. I'll go.
Good girl. Thank you. Come here. Go and sleep.
Go. Can I get one pill? Just one for tonight, please. I really need it.
Sure. But not tonight. Tomorrow morning, I promise.
promise. Are you sure? Yeah, I will. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow. Yes. What are you wearing?
Clothes.
Kami, I left work to come drop you off at your first DA meeting and you are dressed like this. What is this you're wearing?
I'm not wearing house clothes, am I?
Honestly, you are dressed like someone who is going for a funeral. Come on, you can't possibly wear this.
You know what? Suit yourself. You can think whatever you want.
Okay. You look pretty anyway. Sit.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Watch where you're going.
Or what? Huh? What will you do? No, tell me, what will you do?
Calm down. Let them sort themselves out.
Sure about that?
Sure.
You don't have to be rude, okay? She said she's sorry. She's sorry. She is. I see a psycho.
Atura, are you sure this place is not for mentally ill people? Because his behavior is not normal.
It's okay, relax, okay? Just forget about him. Come, let's go.
I don't think I want to. Let's go.
No, please. You have to stay for this class. Okay.
But I don't want to. Will you stay with me?
No, I have to go to work.
Then I'm not coming.
Okay. Fine. I'll stay. Come sit. You need to be careful next time. He might bite.
You're all welcome to today's section of the DA class. I can see we have a new member today. Please introduce yourself.
My name is...
Tyler, you know we have a no phone policy. And if the phone must be here, it should be on silent.
I totally forgot.
Apologize to the group.
Group, sorry.
Sorry? Just sorry. Is that even an apology?
What do you want from me?
A proper apology.
Tyler, we are waiting.
Sorry. Sorry, everybody.
Thank you. Please go on, my dear.
My name is Cam Udo.
You're welcome there.
And my name is Adura.
Adura, you don't need to introduce yourself. You're not a new face here.
Oh, my bad.
Cam, you're welcome. As a new person, you settle before you tell us your story and why you are here. But it's open to you. If you want to talk to us, feel free.
No, thank you.
Okay, today's class we'll be talking about life, the problems of life and how we are dealing with them. And Tyler, we'll start with you. You look so upset today.
How can you tell?
How can I tell? It's written all over you. You're so angry. Talk to us.
I do not know what you're talking about. That's your thoughts.
Cam, what of you? Do you have anything for us?
No, I have nothing to say.
You should say something.
Stop. I'll pass.
What do you mean by your pass? You're here to say something. Say something.
Look who is talking. Tyler, you've not even said anything yourself, have you?
Are we now in competition?
Adura, do you have anything to say to us?
I mean, who has noticed that the price of bole has drastically changed in the market?
You voted the wrong person.
Hey, watch it, bully.
Are you sure you can do this, Carl? Should I can drive us home?
I want to. I have to drive someday.
Okay, so take a deep breath and step on it. Step on it gradually. Gradually take a deep breath. Easy. It's okay. Sorry. Calm down. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. It's okay. Breathe. It's okay. It's okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It just brought back memories.
That guy is so annoying. I mean, what's his problem? Huh? He probably has a death wish. I could have killed him. Do you remember how he distracted me when I was about to introduce myself? Like I felt like punching him. I felt like smacking him. I mean, we're all going through something. But we all left our rage in the house. But that guy came out vexed. He acts strange. He seems broken like me. But that's not an excuse for his bad behavior. So how do you know he's broken? I can see it. He doesn't want to be here anymore. Yeah. I've seen that look in your eyes severally.
Welcome. What is this?
You're not my dad.
I thought we agreed you would focus on your depression, anonymous class and health.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Doesn't look like it to me.
Mind your business.
Will you stop there? Stop!
Tyler is evil. Tyler is ruthless. Tyler is destructive. Tyler is terrible. Tyler took everything. Tyler is a mess.
Hey. Have you seen what you caused? What were you going to do with her? When did you start bringing random women into the house?
I needed someone to talk to.
I am here till why?
You are not. I can't talk to you. You are not available. Dennis, you are not available. You're always busy. Dennis, you're always busy. Oh yes. Maybe if you were available, if you were here, you would have told me. That is silly to allow her drive.
Till why? It's over a year. You need to stop. Stop beating yourself. I lost a sister too. I loved my sister too.
You're not in my shoes. You do not know how it hurts.
Then tell me. Let me into your shoes. Let me know how it hurts you.
I shouldn't have stepped out. I should have been there.
Till why you can talk to me.
It's like the heaven and the earth co-joined against me, and everything I have is lost in a twinkle of an eye. Oh, I mean, it's like he turned his face away from me, and it got me wondering, is there God up there? Is he in existence? Oh, why? My day was turned into darkness. My joy was stolen from me. Hey, oh, why me? Why me? My day was turned into darkness. and my joy was taken away. Why me? So tell me what I'm living for. What is the purpose of living? When the purpose is lost and lost forever, it's like the heaven and the earth co-joined against me, and everything I have is lost in a twinkle of an eye. Oh, I mean, it's like he turned his face away from me, and it got me wondering, is there God up there? Is he in existence? Oh, why? My day was turned into darkness. My joy was day. Oh, why me? Why me?
Hey, have this.
My day was turned into darkness, and my joy was taken away. Oh, why me? It's like the heaven and the earth co-joined against me, and everything I have is lost in a twinkle of an eye. Oh, why me?
Kami, what was the meaning of all that? Are you trying to kill yourself? Kami, you are getting worse and worse by the day. You left the door open throughout last night. Kami, what if someone had worked in here and took advantage of you in this state? Please. You need to put yourself together. You are all that I have. Please.
How did I survive? How?
I don't know. But I believe there is a reason.
A reason? What was the reason? What was the reason my child had to die? What was the reason I survived and my child died? Huh?
It's okay.
I just want to die. Why can't I die? Most times I wish I could drink myself to death. But I wake up every day without them by my side. Do you know how frustrating that is? Without my family by my side. Why can't God take my life? What else am I living for without them? I am nothing without them. Adura.
It's okay. He was my godson. And I loved him so much. Knowing that he's gone, it's so hurtful. I have been hurt too, Kambili. I have. I still can't get the picture of him off my head. Each time I come visiting, the way he runs to meet me, it gave me so much joy. I understand. I know how hard it is. And Alex was an amazing man. A great father. A good husband. And I understand how hard it is on you. But the big question is, would they want you to drink yourself to death? Would they?
I wouldn't know. They're gone.
I'm moving in. I am moving in to stay with you. Someone needs to call you to order.
Adura, I do not need your pity.
I know, okay? But someone needs to put an eye on you.
I want to be left alone. I don't need anyone around me. I just want to be alone.
Kami, you promised to continue with the Dikeh meetings. You haven't gone there since the first day.
I don't feel like it.
Why? Kami, I practically went on my knees and I begged you. I begged you. Kami, you promised. You promised me. Why are you doing this to me?
I'm sorry.
You don't need to apologize. You need to put work on this. Kami, you need to help me. You need to help me help you. You need to meet me up halfway, at least. Kami, please. I am losing you gradually and it is hurting me, honestly. It's okay. It's okay. You just need to get involved with the meeting.
Hey, fine girl. How you doing? Come on, talk to me now. I like you.
I'm not interested. So stay away from me.
Why did you do shakara now? Why did you do shakara now? I'm about to talk to you.
I said I am not interested. Can you leave me alone?
Stop shouting.
What's your problem?
Stop shouting.
Hey, be a gentleman. She said she is not interested.
Who be this one? If I talk to her, what do you go do?
Talk to her one more time, then you see what I will do. Halfway blow.
Ah, wow. Small thing, one day small person show. Follow man like me, you not follow man like me. You want to one small person show.
Oh. Thank you.
Please.
What was that about? It's nothing. I'll just stay in the car.
I thought you would not wake up.
Alex. Alex. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Alex, please. Please come back to me. I can't live without you and Junior. I can't. Please, I beg you. Please.
I wish I could.
Alex. Alex. Alex, please. You don't go. Alex. Alex.
With you, waiting for you to come out of coma. And this is how you want to repay me?
I am lost. I am lost without them. I am lost, Adora, can't you see?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You know society is not the way out.
But I can't move on. Moving on is a sin. Considering I am the one driving, how do you expect me to move on? Tell me, how do I move on from all this?
I'm sure they would love to see you move on.
You know, I saw Alex. And he told me to move on. But I know it's just my imagination playing tricks on me.
You need to stop this, okay? You need to occupy your mind with something. Get busy. How about we go for jogging together every day? Or better still, you just go back to work. Your cousin has been the one standing in for you. I think it's time to get back to work. Okay, please. Don't do this to yourself, please. Please.
I will.
You will. It's okay. It's okay. Please don't pull this point again. Please. Really hold that.
Honestly, today's class is different from the last class we had.
Tyler, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mom. Sorry I'm late. Had a pretty busy day.
Okay. We were discussing about the joyful moments of our lives. Things we remember and we can say is, oh God, thank you. That's where we were. Come. Please share with us.
Come on.
When I had my baby, that was a moment I won't forget easily.
That's a very good one for mothers. Every mother remembers that. We go to war and we come back with a prize. Thanks for sharing. Adora, you're next.
Well, I'm alive. Yeah, basically.
Adora, we know you've been alive for a long time now. But there must be something that gives you joy. Something that you remember and you say, oh, thank God. Just share with us.
I would say the day I met someone special, a beautiful lady with a pure heart, a friend, not just a friend, a best friend, a confidant, and a sister. Everything all in one. And that person is Kambili.
That's a good one. Okay. Tyler, you are next. Please share with us.
I'll pass.
You will pass? Oh, Tyler, don't be a joy killer. Tyler, if you must continue coming here, there is need for you to open up. Talk to us. Share with us. Please.
I have nothing to say.
Oh, come on, bro. Talk to us.
Tyler, just say something.
Something?
Say something.
Something.
Yes, something.
Something? Something.
Don't have to be like this forever. You know the past is gone forever. So pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Yes, it's hard, it's not easy to lose someone so dear to you. You have to give life a chance. You don't need to move forever. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. It's time to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah, you have to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to keep on crying every day. Hey, you gotta let go, let go. The past is gone. And you got to give someone a chance to come into your life and make you happy again.
Hey bro, you're back. So how did you go?
To be like this forever. You know the past is gone forever. So pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Yes, it's hard, it's not easy to lose someone so dear to you. You have to give life a chance. You don't need to mourn forever. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. It's time to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. You have to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on.
I am trying here to why. I'm really trying. You need to stop beating yourself up. Please, stop. Dennis. We were meant to protect her. But I killed her. I did. No. You did not kill her. You did not. It wasn't your fault. It was all my fault. She can't drive. She was still learning. I forced her to drive. Look, the only way you can forgive yourself is to move on with your life. Please. I can't forgive myself. How can I forgive myself for killing my little sister? She was my world. She was everything to me. T.Y. You did not kill her. She was my world too. I loved her so much, just like you did. She would want you to leave.
Don't have to be like this forever. You know the past is gone forever. So pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Yes, it's hard, it's not easy to lose someone so dear to you. You have to give life a chance. You don't need to mourn forever. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. It's time to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. You have to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to keep on crying every day. Hey, you gotta let go, let go. The past is gone. And you got to give someone a chance to come into your life and make you happy again. Oh.
What do you want?
I noticed you're depressed, and I came to make sure you're fine.
What's your story?
What is your story? I saw the anguish on your face and the burden you carry. It reminds me a lot about myself.
The same thing I thought about you.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Cam.
Please be fine.
Hey, hey, hey! Look who went on her own today.
You should have come with me.
Why? What happened?
A lot. I froze when it was my turn to share.
I know. It's expected, you know.
Also, that guy came to talk to me.
What guy? The one that is always frowning. Okay, so tell me, what did you guys talk about?
Nothing. Just normal talk.
Normal talk. I see. You know what I think? I think this guy seemed to like you. Yeah,
Don't
man.
say that. I just lost my husband.
Oh, that's true. Look, I am sorry, okay? I am sorry, honestly. You see, that guy, he should better take his stress to somewhere else. I mean, not to my friend. My friend is obviously not interested. Hello? Right?
You know what? At this point, no one can stress me. Absolutely no one.
Impressive.
So, in today's Depression Anonymous class, we're going to do something different. Because I've noticed that some of us are not quick or feel free to share their own problem. You're late.
Sorry, I'm late.
Okay. It's okay. So, Tyler will be your partner.
Partner?
Yes. We're trying to choose partners. Someone we can rely on and share our problems with.
Mrs. Ajibola.
Mrs. Ajibola, can I get another partner, please?
Okay. Okay. I can be your partner. So as I was saying,
Hello. I could drop you off, if you don't mind.
Whatever you're looking for, look for it somewhere else.
Hey, come on. I mean no harm, alright? I just want to help. I could drop you off instead of you, standing and waiting.
What was that about? I don't want to talk to him. Why? Adora, you said he likes me, right? I don't want him getting ideas. Besides, I'm married. Come, you have to try to let go. Okay? You have to. Can we go, please?
Don't have to be like this forever. You know the past is gone forever. So pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Yes, it's hard, it's not easy to lose someone so dear to you. You have to give life a chance. You don't need to mourn forever.
our last session was quite an emotional and difficult one. We all cried, shedded tears alongside the sharers. And I must tell you, that marks the beginning of their healing, that voicing out. That's exhuming that pain that was buried in. Tyler, I think it's time you open up to us and tell us your story, please. It will help you.
Come on, bro. Talk to us.
Can't wait. Come on, bro. Let it out. Okay?
If you have ever loved someone, a sister, a brother, parents, loved one, and all of a sudden they are no more and it's all your fault. Nothing kills faster than that. My little sister, our angel. She was everything to us. She meant the whole world to my family. You know, I was 12 when she was born. We thought it was going to be my brother and I, all in the house, you know, boys things. But God blessed my parents, blessed us with our wonderful angel. And she came with this beautiful, angelic smile always on her lips. I encouraged her. I told her she could do anything. I told her she was brave. I said to her, you could. How could I have known that something would go wrong? She would die because of me.
Be strong, please.
Tyler.
It's not an easy one, I must say, but that marks the beginning of his own healing. That I can assure you.
Hey, calm.
What?
Come on.
Look, I'm in a hurry. I need to leave.
Calm, you have been avoiding me. I mean, can we just... Can we take it easy? Listen, you do not need to keep your pain and struggles away from me. I have been there. Okay? I see you. Listen, we'll deal with our pain differently. Some wish to sleep their pain away or drink it away. I have tried both, but it didn't work out for me. I'm still trying, working on myself to get rid of that pain, those bad memories that are weighing me down.